Hello everyone and welcome to the 8th video of the Learn HTML series. In this video we will go through a couple HTML elements so we can quote text on our web page and some others that can do fun things to our text. Let's start by opening our template file in our text editor. So with our template file here, let's open it in our notepad. And first I wanted to fix the indentation. I'm now using the tab indentation, but this can get messy if the file is getting bigger, so let's use space indentation like this. Now let's save this. So there are a couple elements we can use to quote text. Let's start with the first one, the block quote element. So let's start by creating a paragraph. And let's end it. And now let's use a block quote. Like this. And for the text we will, this is a block quote. Okay, so now let's save this file, save as. Let's save this as quote.html. And let's open it in our browser. So now we can see the paragraph. This is a paragraph. Let's fix it. Save it, refresh. This is a paragraph and this is a block quote. So the HTML block quote element defines a section that is quoted from another source. Browsers usually indent block quote elements. So here you can see the indentation. To display short quotations, we can make use of the Q element. So let's do this. So instead of the block quote, we can use the Q. And let's make this a short quote. Let's save this and see it in the browser. So now we can see this is a short quote between quotation marks. So the HTML Q tag defines a short quotation, and browsers normally insert quotation marks around the quotation, as you can see here. And if you want to show abbreviations and their meaning, we can use the ABBR element with the title attribute. So let's do that. So let's make an abbreviation. This is HTML. And let's add an attribute title equals hypertext markup language, which is the meaning of HTML. Now if we save this and reload, then we can see this is HTML. Oh, I've noticed that it is with two B's, so ABBR. Now save it and reload the page. So now we can see this is HTML underlined with a couple of dots. And if we hover over it, the title attribute is going to say hypertext markup language. So the last HTML element we are going to discuss is the BDO element. So what does it do? Let's see. Let's just change this one, this is paragraph, to BDL, or better BDO. So change a P in BDO, which stands for bidirectional override. Now, if we want to display this text instead of left to right to left, then we can do this. Dir equals RTL, which means direction equals right to left. So now if we save this file and reload our browser, we can see that this is a paragraph is now written from right to left. So Video tag stands for bidirectional override, and the HTML video tag is used to override the current text direction. So we're now able to display quotations on our web page, and we can also write text in a different direction. In the next video, we will learn more about comments so we can document our code. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.